Smart visual ear cleaning device. Micro USB, Type-C USB. Software installation. Oh my God. Please no. Don't use it for real. Yeah, I think, who voted? I'm vomiting. Ear cleaning stream. I'm not going to put it in my ear, but I do want to see how it looks. What if it's like bad quality? I just want to know. I'm not going to put it in my ear, by the way. Why did we get this? I just want to see what it looks like. I just want to see if the cam works. Let's try it out. Put it in your butthole. Okay, well that's not gonna happen, is it? I'm gonna put it in my asshole, chat. All right, I gotta plug this into something to... I'm gonna have to download the software on my PC, which I don't really like the idea of, but oh well. Could be malware. High chance there's malware. Or I could download it to my phone, apparently. Is that true? Where's my phone at? Where's the phone that I had earlier? I used it. Where did it go? I literally put it back down here. Oh, I see it. I need you guys to see what's on it. So I have to put it into my PC. All right, well, we'll put it in the PC. How bad can it be? Stream ends when I put it in. Okay. The scariest sound of all. All right, I have to go to some address, some bizarre address. It's probably just a camera source. Well, let's find out if it's a camera source. All right, let's go to device manager. Device manager, if it comes up as camera source, should be fine. Cameras, HD camera. Okay, if I remove it, does the HD camera go as well? Yes. Okay, it comes up as a camera. That's good then. All right. Well, we might not even need to install anything. It might work. Let's try. Video capture device. HD camera. Here it is. Okay. Yeah, look, it just shows up. This is fucking... Oh, it's covered in a... Okay. This is like found footage. Imagine this is just my stream. Guys, can you hear me? Guys, I'm live right now. Guys, this is called HD. Actually, I'm removing the other camera. This is my new stream camera. Guys, I figured today we would just play video games. Can you guys see me? Can you see me? Let me clean it. What's up? I'm in the back rooms right now, guys. I don't know if you can hear me right now. It's really fucking dark in here, guys. Guys? How do I get out of here, guys? Guys, help! What? It's getting worse somehow. All right, guys, hi. This is day 13 on the space station. I accidentally installed the Elon Musk chip in my asshole, and everything's blurry. I've been getting constant feeds to buy stuff from Alibaba now for 13 days, directly to my rectum. I'm starting to think that the other people didn't put it in their rectum. What's that behind me? Oh, God. Oh, God. What does it look like inside my mouth? I'm gonna... Ah, that's pretty good. All right. The limit to this is the USB cable is so short. Okay, let's put it up close to my beard. Oh wow, look at that. Yeah, that's her. How close can we get? Oh wow, look at that. Whoa! It's pretty cool. So gross. What do you mean? British teeth. Oh God! Oh God! The monster's gonna get me! Oh! Help! Help! I'm falling! Oh! The back rooms. Hi. Day 14. I've been looking around now for 13 days. Trying to find anything, and all I found is the same rooms. Yeah. I found this. It says beach bum. What does it mean? Maybe it's the secret to getting out of here. Whoa! This is the best thing I've ever bought in my life. This is just a better camera. I should recommend this to cameraman Paul. He's always telling me about he wants to upgrade, but I think this is it. How do we look, guys? Whoa. Whoa. Put it close to my eye. Eye stream. I'm revolutionizing the game. I'm doing eye streams only from now on. What am I? My eye looks pretty cool, huh? All right. This is a pretty fucking swag camera, huh? Well, I'm a bit close to my... Do I have pores on my nose? What the heck is that? Oh my God, that's gross. Look at all those pores. What the heck? What the heck? How do I fix that? That's the outside of my nose. Why I look like that? Oh, this is like some Evangelion remake. I can do wait. If I do it this way, I gotta like nose head on like this. All right, I think I've had my fun with this. What a great tool. All right, put inside. What's wrong with you guys?